Hey there, world. What's up? It's Skippy Simon, and what do you say we make some content for the motherfucking internet, huh? All right, I have a frozen Snickers pecan. It says pecan. Or is it pecan? 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 Anyways, it's frozen. All right, I just pulled this out of the freezer because I am high and I'm hungry and I want a snack. Damn it. You know, I'm not even going to waste any time. We are opening this mother effer up. You know me, I love frozen Snickers. I just had a frozen Snickers a couple days ago. But this one is pecan. Looks like your average turd from Snickers. All right, let's go in. Cheers. Here we go. Ah. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that Dr. Pepper. Ooh, that Dr. Pepper. Mmm. This is damn good. Normally it has peanuts. Peanuts aren't that sweet of a nut. And how with almonds, almonds and tidbits here. These here pecans, they're nice and sweet and great. Mm-mm. Really unique flavor. I just don't like any candy bar I've had. I can't remember the last time I had them. Outside maybe turtles. Chocolate covered pecans. I don't know if turtles have chocolate covered pecans. I have some. These are good. These are really good. I was Snickers. Snickers. They're great. I'm definitely gonna buy it again. I normally get the peanut. But this Snicker right here, that's my Snickers. That's my Snickers. That's great. This is really fantastic. Very happy with what I got. All right. That's probably one of the shortest videos I'm ever going to make. Cool. I'm Skippy Simon. Get out there and get you a pecan Snickers. And when you go up to the counter, ask for it. And they'll say, I don't know if we have any. And then you go, Snicker, please. That's all. I'm full of bad Snicker jokes. What can I say? But anyhow, that was a damn good pecan Snickers bar. And here come the cops to arrest me for bad jokes. Damn it. Word police. All right, I'm out of here. Stay awesome. I'm Skippy Simon. Definitely, this is my Snickers right here. This is the jam right here. So great. All right, talk to you later. Stay awesome. Okay, bye.